our focus is on maintenance and tracking maintenance for all of our vehicles, and to manage the life cycle of the asset effectively, so at the end of term we know if we can extend it, if we can buy it out and sell it, or if we can buy it out and continue running it based off the information that we're getting from Corcentric.
Well, we needed a supplier like Corcentric just from the fact that we don't have a fleet management system, and we really needed to get some data into one database in order to get reporting out, so we could actually manage our trucks and manage our vehicles going forward. So it's turned out to be a great relationship here in the initial beginning. So it'll continue to grow. So by moving, into Corcentric and moving into that avenue has really expounded on the things that we can do as an organization, and we've really just touched the surface. Basically, it's going to continue to evolve as we go forward, which makes us so excited about being here for one, and moving forward in the next couple of years.